In a significant step to safeguard India's interest in space, the Defence Space Agency has launched Antariksha Abhyas 2024, a first-of-its-kind space security exercise. Running from November 11 to the 13th, this 3-day event focuses on identifying threats to India's space-based assets and bolstering national defence capabilities. Chief of Defence Staff General Anil Chauhan emphasized that space is now a critical part of India's defence apparatus. With space becoming an increasingly contested and commercial domain, this exercise addresses the urgent need to protect vital space-based services.
Recent conflicts in Ukraine and the Middle East have demonstrated the enhancement in combat power that the space domain brings to the battlefield. It also brings to fore the dependencies and resultant vulnerabilities that need to be addressed for securing our interest in space. Space systems are composed of 3 components: the space assets, the communication channel, and the ground centers. Each of these together or independently is vulnerable to a variety of threats that include jamming of communications, command and control links, physical attacks on satellites using anti-satellite or ASAT capabilities, and ground stations, dazzling or blinding of sensors, high-altitude nuclear detonations, etc. Hence, they need to be protected.
Involving the Army, Navy and Air Force alongside experts from ISRO and DRDO, Antariksha Abhyas aims to explore vulnerabilities in space operations and prepare for potential conflicts involving space resources.
The formulation of a joint space warfare doctrine that integrates all efforts of these 3 services can also be examined. This doctrine will serve as a guiding framework for future operations in this critical domain. The strategic importance of space cannot be overstated. In today's interconnected world, control over space assets translates directly into national security advantage.
Through collaboration and innovation, India seeks to enhance resilience in space, laying a foundation for a secure, technologically advanced future in defence space capabilities. Antariksha Abhyas 2024, marking a new era for India's security in space.
India is on a journey to enhance its capabilities in space in the field of ISR, communication and navigation. SBS-3 Space-Based Surveillance 3 program will witness launch of almost 52 satellites over the next 5 years, giving us a tremendous reach. Navigation with Indian constellations NAVIC will also be restructured and re-energized. We are also working on a network of satellites in geostationary, MEO and LEO orbits that will not only provide redundancy but also latency in the flow of information to support net-centric as well as data-centric operations.